Hi, it's Kate. Welcome to my next tutorial for wall embossing. Today I will be playing with funny product called flock. I will show you two different ways how you can apply it to your project. Uh, but firstly, I need to prepare my background, and it's very easy. There is card panel which I cut from just cardstock, and this is printed vellum, and I'm gluing it with gel medium. You can glue it with any kind of medium which is drying and it's clear. I like gel medium. I'm using it in my mixed media projects, and for gluing such a big piece of vellum, it's the best. I will set it aside to dry. Now I will stamp and heat emboss my focal image. This is stamped by Simon Says Stamp, and I will be using awesome embossing powder genteel. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it good. Sorry if not, but you will see it in the list of material at the blog post. It is this one, and it's mixture of black, white, some sparkling particles, and some gray, and it will be great contrast for my pink flock, which I will be using for background. I will heat set it and I will fussy cut it. The boring parts like heat setting, fussy cutting, I'm cutting always from my videos because everybody can fussy cut. So I glue my panel to an O card, and here I'm using just very old stencil with dots and paste by Ranger. I will apply it through the stencil, not everywhere, and I'm trying to make really thin layer. I did not speed up the process. You can see it in the real time. I'm just slowly playing with the paste and moving it through the stencil. I'm trying not to cover the lovely butterflies, which I like, the butterflies from the print at Vellum. And over this paste, I will sprinkle flock. Flock is a funny, fluffy material, but it's really interesting. It's amazing, very original. I'll show you how it's looking. There's a lot of in this bottle, really lot of. You see, it's really fluffy. And even when I will be sprinkle almost over my card, I will be using just a bit. And don't worry, you can always clean the rest back to bottle. There is big difference between embossing powder and this material. This material is not for heat setting. This is for gluing. So you can apply it by different waves over some structure paste, gel medium, clear gesso, or add double-sided adhesives over all different adhesives. And also when you are heat embossing with bonding embossing powder, the special one, which is also used for metallic foils, it's also for this flock material. But my favorite way is this one when I'm applying it over some structure paste. This is the second way how you can apply this flock. I'm making dots over my flowers. I will speed up the process, and over those dots I will sprinkle again this material. I'm using this Nuvo spoon. It's practical. Do not touch it. It's a bit like sparkles. You can have it everywhere. So do not blow into it. Just stay at the paper and with closed window. It's very fluffy and very soft, beautiful material, but it doesn't like wind. Absolutely not. So be careful. Look at this. Just beautiful. I will set it aside to dry, and then I will assemble my card together just with 3D foam tape. I will glue this flower bouquet. Nothing more. I think this is enough for such a card. Beautiful background, lovely focal point. I don't need any sentiment. So I hope you like this material called flock. You can find in different colors by wool embossing and try it. It's really fun. Thank you for watching.